Hello everybody, Dave here. Today I am building an Imperial Guard Command Squad. I will be building the 5 guys, the Heavy Weapons Specialist, the First Aider, the Commander, the Volkscaster, and of course the Banner Bearer. I do hope that you enjoy. As always, I'll be experimenting with some time-lapse footage.
Typically, each Astra Miliana Company commander is escorted into battle by a routine of battle-scarred veterans who support the leader in the field. These squads provided with specialist equipment and additional training. Expert Voxcasters rely on the company commander's order to the army on the front line. Talented field surgeons stand a tense vigil over their comrades, ready to stitch wounds or administer doses of whatever chemical stimuli are required. Should a rank and file trooper display exceptional valor and dedication, they may be given the honor of bearing the regimental standard. To earn such a promotion, a soldier must have performed above and beyond the call of duty, such as gunning down a swarm of rampaging foes in defense of a field hospital, or felling a ravenous demon engine with a well-placed grenade. Many command squads include grizzled special weapons operators or veteran heavy weapons teams. These soldiers are provided crack shots, and the presence of such poignant weapons close at hand allows company commanders personally to oversee the destruction of vital targets such as lumbering heretic tanks or monstrous xeno beasts. Equally, should the situation demonstrate and the command squad find themselves threatened by bestowing mobs of greenskins or looming traitorous hellbrutes, these same lethal firearms can mean the difference between life and death. Whether the company commander is a clinical career officer, a cold tactician, or a bearing barrel-chested Imperial hero, they and the command squad form the strategic nexus of the Imperial Guard Army. The company commander's orders crackle across the Vox network, bolstering the courage of the troops and ensuring that the army functions with perceived coordinates. By the commander's authority, soldiers are instructed to charge to their own deaths so that victory may be achieved, or ordered to hold the line against overwhelming odds. It is the duty of the company command squad to protect their leader in battle, shielding the commander from incoming enemy assaults so that the commander may continue to exert the tactical ardor. They also form an offensive core around the commander, inspiring the rank and file troops with their skill and experience. Depending on the battle, they can either lead the charge into the enemy or form the impenetrable center of the Astra Militara line. A company commander is an officer of the Astra Miliana, whose comrades a single company of Imperial Guard regiment. Standing proud amongst the blood and thunder of the front lines, the company commander sets an unfettering example to the army he leads. The titles held by those in office are widely varied as with whence and whence they hail. An Imperial army on a campaign may contain companies led by majors, captains, hitmen, democrats, knights, militants, chieftains, and dozens more. Whether the soldiers dressmen, company commanders all bear the same responsibility in the face of nightmarish foes. They must prove to their army, with a bulwark of unyielding courage and decisive leadership. Most are battle-hardened heroes, skilled combatants, and pragmatic strategists whose first loyalty is to the Emperor of mankind. Some rare commanders of rank may be influenced flops with commissions awarded through inheritance or politicking, but when the hour is too dark for the Dafton Miliama to now suffer fools for long, those who cannot discharge their duties soon discover that being the planetary governor's son means little to a merciless commissaire.
So here we have them, my Imperial Guard Command Squad, all finished, all painted, all built up. As you can see, we have the whole 5 team, including our Commander General, leader of the army of the Lost Legion, the Forgotten Warriors, Reese the Beast Slayer. So cool because he slayed a lot of beasts. We do have our banner bearer there, who is just called Bob. He doesn't care.
Bob.
Our heavy weapon specialist, Aaron. Our medic, who is Elizabeth.
Oi.
And our Voxcaster, Shouty McShout. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like and subscribe. Until the next one, this is Dave for the Empire.